lovelies. As you can see, I've been wearing my hair in a straightened state for some time, and all natural girls know that humidity is not my friend. So what we're going to do is do a great detox and get this hair together. We're going to do a clay mask, y'all. All you need is a plastic bowl or container with a plastic spoon, the bentonite clay of your choice. I'm using Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, and then apple cider vinegar. The best is to use Bragg Organic with the mother because it's raw, it's unfiltered, it's unpasteurized, and gluten-free, so you get all those good nutrients. You can see that the clay mask is in a powdered state, and I'm just going to pour my desired amount into my mixing bowl. Once you get the desired amount that you need, then you slowly start adding the apple cider vinegar. Don't be like me, guys. I ended up adding too much apple cider vinegar into the bowl, so now I have to add more clay to it so that the consistency can be right. What you want to do is just to slowly add in the apple cider vinegar, and if you need more, add some more until the consistency is perfect. Now that I've added more clay to the mixture, you can see that it's starting to thicken up. There are some little lumps and clumps and bumps in it, but we're gonna mix that out as well. As you can see, I am pushing the clay up against the side of the bowl, trying to mash those clumps out because you don't want to put that into your hair. You want to make sure that it's thoroughly mixed. Now we are at the perfect consistency. It is not too thick and it's not super runny either. I'm going to just make this really simple. I'm just going to split my hair in half, and then I'm going to split both of those half sections into two. Right now I'm just going to work on one section only, so I'm putting the first half away, and then I'm just going to work on the first portion. First, you'll need some handy dandy gloves. You can do it without the gloves, but if you want to avoid getting the clay under your nails and all on your fingers, then I would suggest putting some gloves on. I'm just going to section out a small section from that first big section, and then we'll start with that. I am just using a spray bottle with just some water in it. I'm spraying my hair just to get it wet. You don't want to put the clay on dry hair. I'm using my fingers to just work the water in. That way all of my strands of hair will be completely covered with the water. Go ahead and take a dollop of the bentonite clay and start working it into your hair. You start from the roots and then work your way down to the ends. You can be as heavy-handed as you like, as it is not going to damage your hair. The great thing about the bentonite clay is that it is a hair detox. So it is stripping your hair from all the toxins, the product buildup, all the bad things that have been going on with your hair in between your styling that you've been doing, and it's taking all of that out. It is like shampooing your hair in a sense. For all my OGs that know me, know I love my Sulfur 8 products. So whenever I do my bentonite clay mask, I do not use my Sulfur 8 products. I make sure to put the bentonite clay on my scalp because that actually helps with my dandruff as well. It gets all the buildup and all the dirt and the oils off of my scalp, which helps my hair lasts longer without having the itchiness and the flaking that I typically get. When you use the bentonite clay mask, you want to make sure not to use a comb or any type of utensil on your hair, because the bentonite clay is going to harden as you let it sit on your hair. I know y'all looking like, she done sprayed her hair, she done put this clay mask on it, and her hair is bone straight. Be patient, y'all. It takes some time, but them curls is about to get you popping, okay? So this is typically something that I do a couple times a year. I don't do it pretty often, but I just kind of play it by ear. Because I had straightened my hair, I went ahead and thought that it'll be a good time to kind of detox my hair, just to make sure that my curls revert back and that my hair stays healthy and gets really clean. When I do my Aztec clay mask, I also do not shampoo it, because the clay mask technically acts as a shampoo as well, because it is stripping all the bad things and the products out of your hair. Is doing the same purpose. Y'all know me, I have a heavy hand, so I'm literally just putting this bentonite clay throughout my entire head. I'm putting it all on my edges, on my scalp, because I want to make sure that it gets a deep clean and that I also get every strand of hair on my head. For those of you that are unaware, the Aztec bentonite clay mask was actually originally used just as a facial mask, but someone decided to step out of the box and used it on their hair and realized that it also had some benefits from that. I saw so many reviews and information about it, and I was like, okay, let me try it out. If you're going to do the Aztec clay mask, you got to go hard or go home. Make sure to get every little crevice, every strand, every inch of your hair, because you want to make sure that you're doing a thorough treatment. Once you've added the bentonite clay to that section, try not to touch it or do any form of manipulation to it, because it can lead to some breakage and damage to your hair, which is why you also don't use a comb. Just let it sit and do its thing. I promise y'all, it is worth doing this clay mask to your hair. Y'all just need to stick with me so y'all can see what the results are. So I've just finished putting the Aztec bentonite clay throughout my entire head. As you can see, the right side of my hair is a little more curly than the left, since I did that side first. The curls are slowly starting to take shape. This is what we want to happen. we are going to just let it sit and do its thing. So we are going to let it sit on our head for 30 minutes and we'll be back. It has been 30 minutes and y'all, my curls are taking its shape. My hair has a lot of shrinkage, as you can see, and y'all, my hair is so crunchy and hard, it don't make no sense. But this is expected with the bentonite clay, so do not be alarmed. Just try not to manipulate it too much so you don't cause any further damage to your hair. I just rinsed out the bentonite clay mask. I have not put any products or anything. I literally just rinsed it out. I am so pleased with how my curls look. My hair is actually super soft, which is great because it stripped all that product and buildup out of my hair, and it did not make my hair dry. So I am so glad. If you are considering doing a clay mask, go for it, y'all. It has so many beneficial factors. It will strip your hair from all the bad toxins as well as revive your curls. So go for it. I'm going to proceed with my normal hair care routine so we can see what these curls is looking like. I am so happy, guys. My curls are so juicy. They are healthy and bouncy. There is no damage to my hair. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, baby. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, lovelies.